You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care the seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day, 'cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven, never felt something just like this ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, or somewhere in between, or somewhere in between. Oh yeah. You could fall asleep for 100 hours and I wouldn't miss a thing. I would keep you safe while you were dreaming. You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears, and I wouldn't let fear win. What you feel, I feel. Together we're healing. I don't care the seasons change, 'cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day, 'cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven, never felt.
Hey my Minkies! Today I am showing you guys a little piece of my dad's birthday dinner. I know y'all was like, oh, Mink got this steak, big potato, asparagus, but I wanted to show you guys. I've been busy a lot this past week because my son's birthday just passed, and also my dad's birthday just passed. The dinner that I showed you guys, that was for my dad, you know, but I've been cooking all this week. I didn't vlog my son's one, but I just was able to vlog my dad's one just a little bit, because I never done a steak like that, and I forgot what kind of steak that was. I'm gonna put it on the screen if I remember what it is. But guys, that looked just so good. I was like, I got to try this steak. I ain't never tried that steak before, and I don't think he did either. He said he did, and I don't think he did, but he did say it was very, very delicious. I also made pecan candy for my family, because around the time when all these birthdays is going on, they're asking for pecan candy. So I was making that is so time consuming. On top of that, you know, like I said, making meals, birthday meals for them that they wanted, and also baking cakes. So I'm hoping that I get a chance to vlog the cake that I make for my son. It's actually a plain cake. He didn't want any filling or anything in it, but I'm gonna vlog that for you guys. Also, I wanted to do this review right quick. Let me know what y'all think about that meal that I showed y'all that's for my son. I mean, not my son, my dad. And let me know what y'all think about this steak. Okay, so here is the Snickers coffee. Guys, I got this Snickers iced coffee from my sis. She is Crystal. Thank you, sis, so much for sending this to me. I was curious about this, and a lot of people was like, oh, what it tastes like. So I'm gonna taste it right now for you guys. Have y'all ever tried the Snickers coffee? This is my first time trying it, so we're gonna go ahead and open it and we're gonna try it. It actually tastes like a Snickers. This is really good. It actually does taste like the Snickers candy bar with the peanuts and all that. I can definitely taste the peanuts in here. Like, it's really like the taste is strong. I can taste the coffee. It's really good, guys, really good. And I'm gonna share like a couple of the nutrition facts in here. Total sugars is 23 grams, includes 20 grams of added sugar, sodium 230 milligrams of sodium, and carbohydrates 26 grams. So there's no trans fat and saturated fat 1 gram, guys. So calories 130, and these are the nutritional facts. I know some people like knowing, you know, the nutritional facts, because I like to look and see what ingredients they have in here also. But this is really good. So to rate it, I'm gonna rate it a 10. I give this a 10. It really was right on with the taste of the Snickers. So I love coffee. I'd rather a ice cold coffee rather than you know, hot coffee. So, but this is so good. I will definitely try this again, guys. Let's move on, guys, because I have another review for you. And I know y'all like, Mink, you gonna try some chips with some Snickers iced coffee? Yes, I will. Yes, I will. Yes. Okay, so Doritos spicy pineapple jalapeno. I found these. Let's see. I don't know. It was either at Walmart or my local Albertsons. Yeah, it was either one of those two stores. So I believe. So we're gonna try it. You can smell the jalapeno. Oh yeah, I definitely smell the jalapeno out of everything. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all how the chip looks. This is a chip. Got some seasonings on it there. Let me see if I can show y'all a chip that have a lot of the seasonings on it. There you go. Look at that. Let's try it. Oh my God. Y'all, let me tell y'all. Oh my goodness. This have a powerful taste. And I'm not lying. You can taste the jalapenos. You can taste the pineapples. Like, oh my gosh, this is so good. And it's not too spicy to me. I love spicy, you know, food, so it's not too spicy to me. But if you don't like spicy food, I don't know if you're gonna like this or not. But these are some really good chips though. Let me go my mouth, because sometimes I just be smacking my behind up. I apologize, y'all. I be so into the flavors and stuff, you know. But Slim Shell, I don't know if she tried this or not, but girl, y'all go subscribe to my sis Slim Shell channel. She be trying all kind of snack reviews. And also, I forgot to tell y'all, go and subscribe to my sis She Is Supreme if you haven't already, because she also does great reviews, great hauls. Her vlogs be off the chain. Let me tell y'all, when she talking about them celebrities, y'all be into it. I be into it. Okay, so y'all make sure y'all subscribe to both ladies. Those are my sisters. But y'all need to try this. Try this. Y'all try both of them. And it's not bad with the coffee. I don't know what y'all talking about. It's good with the coffee. Okay, so thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting me always. I love you all so much, because y'all so supportive of me. Sometimes I could be a little off at times, you know, not even, you know, sometimes I'm so busy, but I always have to say thank you guys, the ones that always support me no matter what. Like, I thank y'all so much. Subscribe if you haven't already. And also, you guys, make sure that you like this video and share for the world to see, so everybody else can try these chips, as well as the Snickers iced coffee. Thank y'all for watching. Bye bye, my Minkies.